You know, Disney fans are everywhere. They love everything Disney has to offer, like us. So it begs the question, what would you do for Disney Plus?
We hit the streets of Princeton, New Jersey to find out.
How much do you love Disney?
I love Disney a lot.
I am your father. You see, Simba, everything the light touches is yours.
I present you the next king.
To infinity
And beyond.
and beyond.
How much do you guys stream content?
A lot. Streaming is the new wave. Everything is streamed, right?
Am I keeping you from binge watching something?
Have you heard of Disney Plus?
There is new platform that's coming, I think, November 12th.
I'm gonna just take a break. You can let them know about Disney Plus.
It's a new streaming service for all your favorite Disney TV shows and movies.
My question is, what would you do for Disney Plus?
What would I do for it? Oh gosh. Jump up and down? Hey, okay.
I would drink my boba.
You know what, that's not good enough. Would you sing a Disney song for us?
I can show you the world. Let's get down to business.
And defeat
The Huns.
It's a small world after all.
Part of your world.
You gotta sing the beginning leading up to that.
I don't know the rest of the words. Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
Hakuna Matata.
It's a small...
Oh, well, after all.
I almost forgot the words there.
I'm ending it there.
Oh, that's Genie.
Let's wish for a year of Disney Plus, shall we?
I wish for a year of Disney Plus.
Verizon Unlimited customers get 1 year of Disney Plus for free.
Okay, that sounds pretty good.
Wow. Okay, that's awesome.
Oh, wow.
Who's the genie now?
You are.
So guys, share the news with all your friends. Verizon Wireless Unlimited, 5G Home, and new Fios Home Internet customers all get Disney Plus free for 1 year.
Mickey and Minnie, take us out. Until next time, you're up to speed.
There's just something different to a Disney movie.
Pixar is everything to me.
I love Moana so much.
Verizon knows you love all things Disney.
I think we've watched every single movie at least twice. 4 times.
100 times.
That's why Verizon gives you Disney Plus on us for a year.
I'm so excited to see The Mandalorian.
No matter which unlimited plans your families mix and match, your plan comes with classics and new originals on us. And plans start at just $35 a line.
Anybody want to do on the dark side? I will.
Because the network more people rely on gives you more.